Yeah. From the mines to the crown, block by block, we build our sound. Spawn in the world, just dirt and a dream. Punching oak trees, crafting the scheme. Night falls quick, hear the creepers hiss. One wrong move and your base go pfft. White eyes watching from the fog so wide, they whisper one name, yeah, Herobrine. Legends say he walks in the cold at night, bridged in the shadows, never in sight. Entity hacker 3003, corrupting the chunks in the world we see. But we respond strong, never back down, from wooden pickaxe to diamond crown. Block by block, yeah, we rise up high from the cave deep down to the sky so high. Legends never fade, yeah, they multiply in this pixel world. We never block by block, let the redstones fly from survival nights to creative art. History written in everybody part. Minecraft forever in our heart. Big crown king with the PvP blade. Long live the legend, Technoblade never fade.
If you're watching this,
yeah, the chat goes wild, clutching 1v4 like a fearless child.
Not even close, baby! Technoblade never dies!
Mask on hunter, speed run chase, dream running fast in the manhunt race. And the pearls flying, clutch MLG, heartbeat loud when he jumps from a tree. 100 days grind like Paratech style, hardcore world but we survive mile by mile. Wembu challenge, flame frags fight, PvP sparks in the dead of night. From alpha days to the fallen's edge, we build our dreams on a pixel edge. Every art day, every fight, this sandbox world gave us life. Block by block, yeah, we write our name in obsidian walls and Hall of Fame. From Mr. Kings in the Minecraft game, different players, same flame. Block by block, we craft our faith from wooden doors to navigate history made in a world so great. Minecraft forever we create. Yeah. Yeah.
Fire.